Hello guys, Igor here, doing one more AppSumo review. Today analyzing SerpWizz, a tool that claims to audit SEO performance and generate detailed white label reports. Please, if you like my reviews, click on the link in the description where there are the SerpWizz, try SerpWizz, so you help me to keep going doing those reviews. I only need you to click on the link and you already help me with that. So SerpWizz is an SEO audit toolkit that tracks performance with white label reporting features for detailed, shareable audits. It's another SEO tool on AppSumo, an all-around SEO tool that works similar as Ahrefs and SE ranking. You're gonna get all their future wizard plan updates, and the difference here will be the white labeling. If you buy at least tier 2, you get their white label feature. It's more for agencies, and you get more rank checkers, keywords per month, team members, and audits per day. If you get the license tier 3, you get the best deal since you're gonna get unlimited audits per days and 5 rank checker keywords. Let's take a look at the deal and see how it works. Here is SerpWizz, and let's start understanding the tool running an audit. Just enter your website. SerpWizz will automatically run the audit. As you can see here, they are running the results. Everything is done. That website get the A, so it has a good SEO planning. The result percentage is 80%. SEO performance needs to be better, technology analysis ability performance going better. So that are the results. That let's see which kind of metrics we have here. You can see that as an SEO result, you get the title tag, if there or not, the meta keywords, meta description. So I need to change something here on text, radio, IP address, gzip compressions. There is the XML sitemap, robots. So they will check your domain age, the expiry date of your domain, if you're following the header tags, keyword density and content, usability, everything here is done. Performance, so something needs to be fixed here. I need to improve a little bit the speed. As you can see here, you're gonna get a lot of metrics. About technology, you can see here, speed tips, avoid having too many CSS, analytics. You can see that there are a lot of metrics here, and I need to improve my IP address canonicalization. I need to check that out later on, and my website speed. I need to improve those a bit. Okay. In my leads, you can see all the website that you have created an audit. Here's the one that I just did it. If you get at least tier 3, you're gonna get the white label report. So you can send white label reports to your clients. And here is where you can track your keywords. Okay, you can select between different kind of countries. I'm gonna select Brazil here to add the domain. I'm gonna add here that keyword here. Select the language of your keywords and the search location. Click on submit, and it's a keyword rank tracker tool as well. The report templates, as you can see, you can full white label the reports to your client. Okay, you add your company website, company name, your logo. You can have the white label reports as well, depending on the number of codes that you want to buy. And then here on report templates is where you can customize everything related to the report. You get also many tools to check your XML sitemap, gzip, the title tag, favicon. For instance, between those mini tools, let's check the favicon. I'm gonna add my website here. Let's see if the tool can find my favicon. So my favicon is here. Everything is okay. Overall, it's a tool to create website audits with a full white label and customizable reports, and also to track your keywords. You can see here my keywords here is number 5 on Google. Overall, I like the audit. I'm gonna download the PDF. You're gonna see how the PDF look like here. Here's the PDF of my audit. Remember that with the white label version, you will send it completely customized to your client, and also will have your brand and website address, etc. Okay, overall, I think it's a nice tool for agents. I hope you like that review. If you like it, please remember to click on the link in the description to take a look at the tool and help me to keep going. Thank you so much. Bye.